communication network, which allows nodes to share resources. In computer networks, computing devices exchange data with each other using connections between nodes. These data links are established over cable media such as wires or optic cables, or wireless media such as Wi-Fi. Computer networks support an enormous number of applications and services, such as access to the World Wide Web, digital video, digital audio, shared use of application and storage servers, printers and fax machines, and use of email and instant messaging applications, as well as many others. Types of computer network. The first type of computer network is the local area network, or also known as LAN. Local area network connects network devices in such a way that personal computer and workstations can share data, tools, and programs. The group of computers and devices are connected together by a switch or stack of switches using a private addressing scheme as defined by the TCP or IP protocol. Next type is the Metropolitan Area Network, or also known as MAN. Metropolitan Area Network covers a larger area than that of a LAN and smaller area as compared to WAP. It connects two or more computers that are apart but resides in the same or different cities. Next type is the Wide Area Network. One or wide area network is a computer network that extends over a large geographical area. Although it might be confined within the bounds of a state or a country. A WAN could be a connection of LAN connecting to other LANs via telephone lines and radio waves, and may be limited to an enterprise or accessible to the public. The technology is high-speed and relatively expensive. The two types of WAN. The first type is switch WAN. It is a network switch designed to route data across large geographic WAN, which may include multiple local area networks, or LAN. WAN switches manage and optimize traffic across corporate and telecom networks, facilitating efficient and reliable long-distance communication. The second type is the point-to-point WAN. Is it a type of network topology that connects two locations using dedicated circuit? It can be used to connect remote sites, data centers, and branch offices, and point-to-point WAN are commonly used in businesses and organizations for transmitting data between different locations.
The different types of network. The first one is the GPS. The Global Positioning System Network uses satellites to transmit signals that cover the globe. The smartphone can receive these signals and calculate the phone's location to an accuracy of within 10 meters. The second one is the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi transmitters are receivers located within the smartphone and enable the phone to connect to local networks and internet. In order to receive and send data on the Wi-Fi network, the phone needs to be within the range of the signal from a wireless network access hotspot. A hotspot is an area where Wi-Fi signals are available. Wi-Fi network connections in the phone are similar to the network connections on a laptop computer. And the Bluetooth, a low-power, short-range wireless technology that is intended to replace wired connectivity for accessories such as speakers, headphones, and microphones. Because Bluetooth technology can be used to transmit both data and voice. It can be used to create small local networks. The NFC. NFC stands for Near Field Communication. It is a wireless communication technology that enables data to be exchanged by devices that are in very close proximity to each other, usually less than a few centimeters.
Computer networks shares common devices, function and features including servers. Servers are computers that hold shared file, program, and the network operating system. Clients. Clients are computers that access and use the network and shared network resources. Transmission media. Transmission media are the facilities used to interconnected computers in a network, such as twist, pair wire, coaxial cable, optical fiber cable. Shared data. Shared data are the data that file receivers provide to clients such as data files, printer access program, and email. Shared printers and other peripherals. Our hardware resources provide to the use of other networks by servers. Resources provided including data files, printers, software, and other items used by clients on the network. Network interface card. Each computer is in a network has a special expansion card called a network interface card. The NIC prepares, formats, and sends data, receives data, and controls data. Follow between the computer of the network. Local operating system. It allows personal computer to access files, printer to a local printer, and have a use and one more disk and CD drives that are located on the computer. Network operating system is a program that runs on computer and servers and allow the computer to communicate over the network. LAN cable is also known as data cable or Ethernet cable, which is a wired cable used to connect a device to the internet or the other devices like other computers, printers, and etc. Hub is a device that splits a network connection into multiple computers. This is like a distribution centers. Switch is a telecommunication device grouped as one of computer network components. Router. When we talk about computer network components, the other devices that use to connect a LAN with an internet connection is called router. The arrangement of the elements of a communication network. Physical topology. Bus topology. In case of bus topology, all devices share single communication line or cable. Bus topology may have problems while multiple hosts sending data at the same time. Therefore, bus topology either uses CSMA and C technology or recognizes one host as bus master to solve the issue. Star topology. All hosts star topology are connected to a center device known as a hub device using a point-to-point connection. That is, there exists a point-to-point connection between host and hub.
Ring topology. In ring topology, each host machine connects to exactly two other machines, creating a circular network structure. When one host tries to communicate or send message to a host which is not adjacent to it, the data travels through all intermediate hosts. To connect one more host in existing structure, the administrator may need only one more extra cable. Mesh topology. In this type of topology, a host is connected to one or multiple hosts. This topology has hosts in a point-to-point connection with every other host, or may also hosts which are in point-to-point connection to few hosts only. Tree topology, also known as hierarchical topology. This is the most common form of network topology in use presently. This topology intimates as extended star topology inherits properties of bus topology. Hybrid topology. A network structure whose design contains more than one topology is said to be hybrid topology. Hybrid topology inherits merits of all the incorporating topologies.
Protocols. Network protocol. Define rules and conventions for communication between network devices. It also includes mechanism for devices to identify and make connections with each other, as well as formatting rules that specify how data is packaged into send and receives messages. Some protocols also support message acknowledgement and data compression, designed for reliable and high-performance network communication. In Internet Protocol. The Internet Protocol, IP, family contains a set of related and among the widely used network protocols. Beside Internet Protocol itself, high-level protocol like TCP, UDP, HTTP, and FTP all integrate with IP to provide additional capabilities. Thanks to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and LTE, wireless networks have become commonplace. Network protocols designed for use on wireless networks must support roaming mobile devices and deal with issues such as variable data rates and network security. Lastly, network routing protocols. Routing protocols are special purpose protocols designed especially for use by network routers on the Internet. A routing protocol can identify other routers, manage the pathways between sources and destinations, messages, and make dynamic routing decisions. Common routing protocols include EIGRP, OSPF, and PGP.